Ẹ kálẹ́ o, gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ní orí ìkànnì mo kí wa ní gbogbo kíbi tí ẹ bá ti láǹfààní láti gbọ́ wa. A ti dé ní ẹ̀kan sí ní àṣálẹ́. Èmi ọmọ yín ọ̀rẹ́ yín olólùfẹ́ yín náà ni gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ wá Àkàlàmàgò TV. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ààbò ní ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Ẹ wá gbọ́ ohun tí ìyá àìsọ. In fact, gbogbo nǹkan tí ìyá àìsọ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ máa mú ní ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan, kẹ́ máa mú ní ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan èjèèjì, ẹ máa mú lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan èjèèjì kẹ́ máa gbọ́. Báwo la ṣe fẹ́ ṣe? Ẹni tá gbé ojúlé tó jẹ́ ní àgbà, gbé òwe ẹ̀yin àgbà. Ẹni tá fẹ̀yìntì tó jẹ́ fún gbogbo ara ṣẹ́gun. Àwọn elétò ààbò, àwọn àmì, àwọn sójà tá gbójúlé, àwọn ọlọ́pàá, àwọn gangan wà ní problem tá ní. Ṣé rántí, ṣé mọ̀ pé gbogbo ìgbà ni mo ń rìn fáàsì nǹkan tí ọ̀gbẹ́ni Ọ̀jájú ni youth leader àwọn Afẹ́nifẹ́re. Gbogbo ìgbà ni mo ń rìn fáàsì ní nǹkan tójú ẹ̀ rí. Ó sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kìdẹ̀ ń ṣòro nìkan náà ló ti sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó similar sí eléyìí. Gbogbo bí àwọn ṣe ń rí àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan afurasí pẹ̀lú àwọn sójà. Gbogbo kinní wọn ó jọ gàtè kò jọ gàtè. Ó fẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì ó fi tìrò. Màá fi ohun yẹn sílẹ̀ ń ṣe kẹ́ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ní nǹkan tí ìyá yẹn sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ tán. Ó gùn díẹ̀ ní fídíò, ó tó bí 7 minutes. Kò pọ̀ náà. 7 minutes ò pọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká make sure ká gbọ́ tán. Ọ̀jájú ní àwọn ibi tí wọ́n ti ń gba ransom kó wà very close síbi tí àwọn army checking point. Checking point àwọn àmì olówà very close síbẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ká tó tẹ̀síwájú, ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ìyá àìsọ náà. Ẹ̀gbọ́n sọ.
My name is Lolo Nneka Chimezie. I'm the national president of Igbo Women Assembly. My personal experience, when this insecurity was too much in the southeast, I'm based in Lagos. For our group, we have different departments and we have media departments. So we decided to come and cover it and to find out what is actually happening. But when we came around to cover the insecurity, we discovered that 90%, I'm sorry to say, of the insecurity in the southeast was caused by the military. I won't apologize for saying it, because they would have shot me at Osumu that time. So when we came, and on Monday, we decided to cover the sit-at-home proper. So when I have my driver, I have my car, so I moved with my driver. So when we came to Olo, that near Banana Junction, we discovered that place was, closed up by the military. So I had to come down, because I have a newspaper outfit, so I have my ID card. So I approached the militaries. Even when they saw me approaching them, they were like even their faces. And I greeted them and I said, Oga, why did you block the road? I said, who are you to ask all that question, without the harassment? And I showed them my card. I said, unfortunately, I'm a media person, and we are here to cover the sit-at-home, because we realized that you said IPOP is sit-at-home and they're enforcing sit-at-home. But with the look of things, you are the one enforcing the sit-at-home, because I know that before you came, there was nothing like this insecurity. Let's be honest to ourselves. Before the militaries were moved to Southeast, we didn't have it this bad. So you were brought here to relax the sit-at-home. Not that there were clashes within the sit-at-home, but for you to relax it so that people will start coming out. Now that you are blocking the road, it's like you are helping to now enforce the sit-at-home. So when I now flashed my car, they now ran inside. So out of anger, I moved those things on the road. And then I drove past. I covered the whole of Southeast. When you approach their checking point, they look more deadly than any criminal, even armed robbers you meet on the road. The way they approach, the way they harass. So after touring the whole of Southeast, we now realize that even the way they harass motorists, the way they harass people, we now realize that 80% of what we are being told is being done by the militaries and the harassment. Now, on my way back, I'm from Imo State, so I ended up in my hometown. I'm from Olo, actually. And then going back to Nnewi, where I was married. So taking that Osumuruhu is usually faster. So I came through I landed through the Imo State Airport. I forgot to remove the the tag on my bag. So when I approached that Osumuhu, they stopped us. And when they saw this, the tag, they said, "Where are you coming from?" I explained myself. They searched me and what have you. And then when they took my passport, they said, "Madam, where are you going to?" I said, "I'm going to Nnewi." "Where?" "Nnewi South." "Where in Nnewi South?" "Oto." "Where in Oto?" They were now asking me my village. At that time, I was very upset with what they were doing. I said, "It now means we are under siege. This is not security. You came here for another mission. Oga, what are you doing with my village and my family name? So you are the ones that will collect this information from our sons that come from abroad, and then you give it to your kidnappers. It means you are involved in kidnapping. Otherwise, why would you be asking me?" I said, "I'm going to know. Is that not enough? You asked me my village, I told you. You asked me my town, I told you. You are now asking me my name, where I come from. So what else? In the night, you come and carry me like fowl." They were, in fact, they cocked their gun. 10 of them, they were mad, they were raging. I lost it. I now said, the Southeasterner needs to find out what is going on. This has nothing to do with IPOB. The problem is the media were reporting something else, while underneath something else was going on. So when I got home eventually, in fact, when I went after the quarrel, I told my brother, "You know what, turn this vehicle. If I pass, they will kidnap me." I think they work with those criminals in the bush. They kept them there. How can they keep these armor tanks and what have you? How large is Osumuhu? It's that forest that they cannot fish out those criminals. So as we were turning, they seized my car key. So I left them. So I think the whole drama, they went to bring their leader, the Ogas. They came with their van and they collected the key and they handed it over to me. I was alarmed. When I got home, I called the PG of my local government and I said, "Oga, people should stop looking at IPOB. I'm not an IPOB member. I don't know them, but this is what is going on. See. As I was talking, a young man said, "Madam, they seized my machine there." Yes, because people, Okada will not pass through that Osumuhu, but I think it's better now. The man said, "Madam, I am." I said, "What did you say?" He said, "I am. But we are stuck." You know, that was the reply I got. We are stuck because the militaries are here. If you remove them, something else might happen. I think at that point they knew and they were looking for solution. Another experience we had is I passed through that Osun road and I met the militaries there. They were right at Ekotutu. And now from our investigation, we realized that when they were attacked by whoever attacks them, they would turn their gun on the villages living nearby. That was how also Ekotutu was burned. Have covered the whole southeast, both the police everywhere in the southeast, and they cannot fish out these criminals. But with few vigilantes that were raised, you can see the women saying that they can enter the bush now since we have this vigilante group. So what I'm telling Diana, let's stop moving money around. Now, but big cars, you know, security. Invest it in security. I can assure you, community trouble and we their security men 100,000. See what we'll do. We'll turn them as security and farmers in the bush. Nyaha location near mafia. Turn them as security, pay them well. Thank you very much.
Ó dọwọ́ Ọlọ́run kí la ti fẹ́ wá ṣe, kí la ti fẹ́ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà sí, kí la ti fẹ́ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ààbò ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà, báwo la ti fẹ́ ṣe, kí la ti fẹ́ ṣe sí. Àwọn tó yẹ ká lọ máa sábà wọn ò ṣe ń sábà, àwọn tó yẹ ká lọ máa sábà wọn ò ṣe ń sábà. Ṣẹ́rí pé ó lágbára ń sìn ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa gbogbo tọ̀ Olúwa lolùṣọ́ àgùntàn mi o, oníkẹ́ máa kà kẹ́ tó sùn. Èmi kì yóò ṣe aláìní, mú mi dùbúlẹ̀ ní pápá oko tútù, mú mi lọ sí ìhà omi dákẹ́ lọ́rọ̀, ó tu ọkàn mi lára, mú mi lọ nípa ọ̀nà òdodo. ó ní kẹ́ máa ka Olúwa lolùṣọ́ àgùntàn yín o. Olúwa nìkan ni olùṣọ́ àgùntàn. Ẹ wo ìkan náà tí a mú wá ní last time. Ṣé àná náà kọ́ ni? Wọ́n ní àwọn vigilante àwọn ló ń tú àṣírí àwọn àmì. Àwọn vigilante àwọn ló ń tú àṣírí itú táwọn àmì pa tí wọ́n pa wọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn ajínigbé. Ẹ máa wo ẹ rí checking point bí àwọn àmì á máa operate níwájú àmì Nigeria àmì. Láyé àtijọ́ wàá rí camouflage lásán wàá sáwọ gbóni. Náà wọ́n ti announce sí pé òun fẹ́ rí anybody kó wọ camouflage. Ó ti pẹ́ náà ti ń sọ náà tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣá. Nigeria apẹ́ kan tó bọ́ sójú ẹ̀ mò ń tẹnu mọ́ apẹ́ tí Nigeria ṣé wọ́n tẹ̀lé bọ́ sójú ẹ̀ ṣá. That's it. Ó ní agbára. Mo ní complete camouflage complete. I always bought it. Mo máa ń ra always ni. Wàá wọ complete. Ṣé o ti fẹ́ rí sójà sójú ni? Ẹlòmíì tí wà ní ìlú for the past 20 years kò fojú kan sójà rí. Mo ti sọrí lórí ètò náà. Mo jókòó síwájú army barrack mi ò mọ̀ pé wájú barrack ni mo wà. Mo dẹ̀ ti ń wá lọ síwájú barrack yẹn every day. Every time mo máa ń wà ńbẹ̀ every time. I don't know. Nigeria ṣe kó tó dé ọjọ́ barrack my 2 ni wàá ti máa rí army. Kó tó máa dé ọjọ́ barracks tó wà ní láti máa dé after láti máa dé Yanoba. My 2 ni wàá ti máa rí sign pé àmì wà lágbègbè. Àti ẹ mọ̀ pé signal barracks wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ my 2 mẹ́yìn láti máa dé Sùúrù Alábà. Ṣùgbọ́n the biggest the biggest army barracks in Africa, Ọjọ́ barracks, very big. Mo ti lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ several times. Wọ mọ́tò ẹ̀gùn ọ̀kadà nínú ẹ̀, very big. Ẹ ti máa rá mi. Àwọn àmì yẹn wọ́n wá di yẹ̀yẹ́ ńsìn. Nigeria mi wá di yẹ̀yẹ́. Wọ́n wá láwọn Boko Haram wà níbì kan. Ẹ wá send àwọn ẹ ti mọ àwọn tẹ́ ẹ nídìí orúkọ wọn tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ kàn lọ pa. Wọ́n wá list orúkọ wọn kàn lọ. Ìkan tẹ́ ẹ kó sí wọn lọ́wọ́, pẹ̀tù lẹ kó sí wọn lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n wá lọ kojú àwọn tó gbé iná burúkú sọ́wọ́. Wọ́n á wet àwọn á fi ẹ̀mí àwọn ọlọ́mọ ṣòfò dànù. Ayé àtijọ́ the way tí mo fi like àmì, òun náà lẹ ṣe tí mo fi ń wọ camouflage. I love that too much. Màá láàbúrò Sàálò fẹ́ lọ join àmì, màá ní kí support, màá wá support ẹ̀. Màá discourage ẹ̀ kan lẹ̀ ní kó má ṣe. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan tó kú sámì, mi ò mọ̀ bí a máa ti delete àwọn ṣáàtì yẹn. Mo yìí lọ máa ń ka ṣáàtì yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ̀dá mo ti delete ẹ̀ kí má ti rántí mọ́. Mo discourage bọ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀ débi pé mo ní I will call commander Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn in Ondo State, màá bá a sọ̀rọ̀ kan employers Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn kan lè gbé ẹ wá sí ìlú wa ká mọ̀ pé ìlú wa ló wà. Kò sí pé wa lọ máa gbé ìbọn máa kojú àwọn àmì pé ẹ̀mí ẹ ò dé. Mo bá ọ̀rẹ́ mi sọ̀rọ̀, ẹni tó bá mọ̀ mí dé ìlú mi á sì ní ìlú ọjọ́ ni mò ń sọ. Ẹni tó bá kò ẹyẹ méjì kì í jà sáté bá ti pé ọjọ́ á sì ní ìlú lájọba. Àjọ máa ń gẹrun ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹ̀. At the end of the day nǹkan ó kú sí sọ́gbà àwọn kìíní. Ó kú wọn lọ ẹni tí kò ń ṣe navy ó lọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ lórí omi wọn kò wọ life jacket ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lórí orí omi bóòtù wọn yí sójú omi gbogbo wọn kú sójú omi without life. Wọ́n mú kọ́ńfẹ̀ ní àwọn ọlọ́mọ ń ṣòfò ẹlẹ́ẹ̀ kó wọn síṣẹ́ without provide all the necessary tools àwọn nǹkan tí ẹ̀kọ́ máa lò, just wasting people life just like that. It's a pity. So bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn ènìyàn wa ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ìyá yẹn sọ ṣé kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn ẹni tí àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ nínú ìlú nìyẹn tí bá rí pé ẹni tí wọ́n mọ̀ ni wọ́n ti fẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ṣòfò bó dẹ̀ ṣe wà náà ṣẹ́ ní ẹ̀ wá dé pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tó obìnrin yẹn sọ ẹ̀ ṣẹ́ ní ẹ̀ wá dé wọ́n á yìí máa wá kiri ni torí pé ó tó àṣírí wọn wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ pé ìlú wọn practice democracy tí kò sí freedom of speech ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ wọn á lọ gbé ẹ bá kúkú máa ṣèjọba ológun náà. Is it not better? Ẹ bá ń continue ìjọba ológun, is it not better? Adẹ̀lá àfẹ́ ìjọba ológun, ìjọba máṣúmátọ̀. Èyí tá wá wà ńkọ́, kí wá ní ìyàtọ̀ tó wà nínú ìjọba máṣúmátọ̀ àwọn ìjọba ológun pẹ̀lú ìjọba ilé ìtawà wọ̀nyí. Ìjọba tó gbúdọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀, tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ wọn ní kọ́ lọ gbé ẹ wá. Tó bá ṣe músíkì wọn bá ní músíkì ẹ, torí pé músíkì ẹ bá wọn wí. Láti correct gbogbo àwọn nonsense tó ń ṣe. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa ẹ wò ànílè jù báyìí lọ ẹ̀yin mo kí wa èmi ọmọ yín ọ̀rẹ́ yín náà ni olólùfẹ́ yín Akalamago TV èmi jò kí n jàṣà ẹ bá wa subscribe tẹ́ bá ń wá for the first time don't forget to drop your comment and drop thumb up to the comment section mo kí wa àníṣe tí o Yorùbá nation